Hi, I'm Dr. Amy Williams, and I have been at Mayo Clinic since 1990. I am a kidney specialist, a nephrologist, and I'm also Executive Dean of the Mayo Clinic practice. And together today, we're going to go in Mayo Clinic, and I'm going to take you on a tour to show you just how safe we are. Here we are at Mayo Clinic, and I want you to remember that your safety and the safety of our staff are the most important things for us, and we always keep that in mind. We are here to care for you, and we are ready. Now, I understand that everybody, including visitors and patients, have to wear a mask.
Yes.
I'm gonna just clean my hands here.
Absolutely.
This is so important to clean your hands. Between your fingers, backs of your hands, I even do it up my wrists. So doing this will kill that virus on our hands. Incredibly important.
Okay, thank you.
Look at this for social distancing. This is amazing how you have this set up. So people can only sit where there's no paper on the,
Correct.
no sign. So important.
They come in every half hour, they're cleaning every single chair, the side tables, the lamps, the reception desk, any door handles they can think of, the sanitizer bottles, the hand sanitizer bottles, the signature pads if the patient has to use those at reception. And then after each patient leaves, they're going and cleaning that chair as well.
All right, now we're going to go into an exam room. And I'm just going to turn the lights on. And as you can see, and as you know if you've been here before, that these rooms are always clean, and they're cleaned after every patient. We've always kept it clean, but now we're really concentrating on wiping down every single surface to make sure that you are safe and that our staff is safe. We know some of you can't get here for various reasons, but we still want to deliver your care, and we still want to connect with you. But we can do that with video visits. And these video visits, I sit in front of the computer, I see you, you see me because of this camera. I have all of your information. It is just like you and I are here in the exam room. It is safe to see your doctor. It's safe to go to emergency rooms. So thank you all for coming on a tour with me. I hope that it is very obvious that our goal is to make Mayo Clinic as safe as possible for you and for our staff. The safety measures that are so visible today are in all of our sites in Arizona, in Florida, in the Midwest. We are here, we're ready for you, and we want to continue to care for you. So remember, we're safe, and we're here to keep you safe.